Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, Wicked Whips. Today, I don't have a car video for you, but it's something that I use to record my car. So I have a pretty neat unboxing for you. It's something that I found is actually a workaround that's really inexpensive. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you. Anybody who uses a gimbal, they know most people who use a gimbal take their case out to put the phone into the gimbal or the stabilizer to record. Me, I personally don't like constantly taking my phone out of my case to record anything due to the fact that if it drops, it costs a lot of money to replace, even if you got to go through insurance. So what I got from Amazon, it's a pretty neat counterweight. It's very inexpensive, as I said, and I just want to show you guys how it works, how you can line it up where it won't even disrupt anything when your gimbal is moving. Also, the biggest reason I got this counterweight was because I've noticed that when I use my phone with the case in my gimbal, the gimbal dies a lot faster. Also, the motors, each motor, they're really warm to hot to the touch, because now the motor is actually straining to hold up that extra weight. So now I'm gonna go unbox this counterweight for you and show you guys what's going on. All right, guys, everything is laid out right here. The company is called Ulanzi, or Ulanzi, whatever you want to pronounce it. This right here, this little gadget right here, that can be adjusted to screw on or to attach onto the arms of the gimbal. These counterweights, this can be, each of these can be taken off individually and screwed onto the adjuster right here. Each of these little counterweights right here, they're 10 grams each. The adjuster is about 24 grams. So it's pretty neat. I'm about to show you how it attaches right now. All right, guys, real simple. This adjuster normally would go on the outside like so, and then you tighten the screw on, and then you take the counterweights and attach it onto these holes right here or right here, as you can see on the back right here where the Ulanzi sign is. But the issue is, if you had to put it in the standby mode, see, it's hitting. So what happens is, this is standby mode right here. When you click it in, what it does, it prevents the motors from working overtime while you're not doing anything. So it's a good way to conserve battery on the gimbal. So, now, easy workaround. All you got to do is take this, take it and put it right here, like so, right there, and then attach the counterweight on the back hole right here. And it works flawlessly. I'm about to show you how. Alright, guys, quick tutorial. This is how the Ulanzi, that's how you set it up. Now, if you notice, I only have 3 10-gram counterweights right here. I took one off. So now, right now, everything is in standby mode. The gimbal is off. So now, once you slip it out of standby mode, you're gonna see how balanced it is. You're gonna see how balanced the phone and the counterweight is. You wanna try to get it as level as possible. Level as possible, which that's almost at 180 degrees right there. So now once you power this bad boy on, it should sit up perfect. And now it's set up nice and straight. And that's how you want it. So the less work the motors have to do, this motor right here, this one right here, the less work they have to do. Now when I say less it has to do, I mean that because of the counterbalances, the motors are now working less to balance the phone while the machine is on. It's not gonna get all hot and warm. And that's where these counterweights come in handy. It's very simple, guys. Very simple workaround for an expensive product like this. This only costs a couple dollars. I'll put the link in the description. And that's pretty much it, guys. So now, you put this bad boy on standby. Look, it's not hitting anything at all. And you're completely balanced and perfect. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was informational. Smash that like button. Subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.